Good morning everyone. Today one of my friends, Nuthana A J, is here to give seminar on the topic quadratic equation. She is ambitious to get into one of the premier institutes AIMS. She aspires to be a pediatrician. She is currently taking NEET coaching in VIDVATH Pu college. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Nuthana A J. I am here with you people to give a seminar on quadratic equation. As you are all familiar with what quadratic equation really means, can anyone define what is quadratic equation? Yes, Sanjana, please. More specific? Anybody? Okay. An equation that is x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is called quadratic equation. Is that right? Yes. No. Until and unless you mention that a is not equals to 0, you can't say this equation as a quadratic equation. Why? Why can't you substitute a is equals to 0? If you substitute a is equals to 0, then equation will turn into monomial equation, right? So, before writing it, you have to mention that a is not equals to 0. Let's take an example. Is this a quadratic equation? Why? Yeah, this is not equated to any constant k. So, we can't call this equation as a quadratic equation until and unless we mention that it is equated to something constant k. So, now it is a quadratic equation. Is this? Okay. 1 plus x is equals to x square. Is this a quadratic equation? No. This is not a quadratic equation until and unless you should, like, just by glancing it, you can't say it as a quadratic equation. You should further simplify it to know whether it is quadratic equation or not. Come simplify it. One plus x square divided by x is equals to x square. 1 plus x square is equals to x cube. See, this is not a quadratic equation. Instead, this is a cubic equation. So, before just you can't see, by seeing equation, you can't say that is a quadratic equation. You should simplify further to get to know whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Sir? Okay, sir. Is this visible there? Okay. Can you say the highest degree of this equation? This? Yeah. Quadratic equation highest degree is always? Then, how many roots does quadratic equation have? 2. On which basis you say that quadratic equation has 2 roots? Yeah. According to fundamental theorem of algebra, nth polynomial means nth degree polynomial has n roots. Okay, it is more important here. Nth degree polynomial has n roots. So can you please say the roots now? By seeing that, by using that, can you say the roots of this? Yeah, correct. So, if you are given with the roots and they ask you to frame a equation on that, If you are given with roots, 2 roots they will give, and they will ask you to frame a equation on that. So let's consider those 2 roots as alpha and beta. So by using characteristic equation, we can find we can frame the equation, okay? That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x is equals to 0. Yeah. Let's take an example. Let alpha be 3 and beta be 2. You just consider anything. So can you say the equation now? Yeah. It's x square minus 5x plus is equals to 0. Then I'll give you a question. If x is equals to 2 in a quadratic equation, x square minus 5x plus k is equals to 0. If x is equals to 2 in quadratic equation, x square minus 5x plus k is equals to 0. Then can you find the value of k? Yeah, it's 6, where k value is 6. So let's move on to another topic. Sum and product of roots. Let us consider alpha and beta has 2 roots. For ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If 2 roots are added, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, sorry. Alpha into beta gives c by a, where b is a coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. C is a constant. Okay, take down another question. If alpha and beta are roots of a equation x square minus 5x, wait, I'll write. Alpha and beta are then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha. Can you find the answer and you say? Yeah, it's correct. Minus 27 by? Yeah, thank you. So, you have to simplify this. Just cross multiply. Alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. So, what is the value of alpha plus beta? I have already said that like you have to consider this equation and do this problem, okay? So here alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha into beta is, yeah. So just put the value here. Alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha into beta 4 minus 2 alpha into beta value 4, yeah. So 5 by 4 minus 2 4s are 8. 5 minus 32 divided by 4. 5 minus 32, yeah, minus 27 by 4. So you have to simplify it to get the answer, okay? If alpha and beta are two roots, beta square. No. Yeah, it's 20. So to solve this, yeah, it's correct, 20. So to solve this, we have to write this equation in the form alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Isn't it? Yeah. Alpha plus beta means 6. Yeah. Alpha beta in alpha into beta 8. 6 square is equals to 36. Minus 16, we'll get 20. Okay, then so we are just consider we are given with equation and they say you to find the roots for that. So we have totally 3 methods for that. One is factorization, one is by using quadratic formula, and another one is by completing square. Okay, now I am dealing with only two methods. That is, one is factorization and then by using quadratic formula. So by factorization, let's consider an example so it is easy to like further simplify and you may understand from that. X square minus 7x plus, can you guess another next number? Yeah, 12. No, it's not 8. So just guess it. 7 means 2 plus, so not 2 plus, 4 plus 3, right? So now by like considering like that, we can guess the next number. You just split it. So by first, before solving, you should check whether x square is negative or positive and unity. So it will be like for further simplification, you will be easy to, you can solve the equation easily. So 12x square, it should give 7x. We have to choose two numbers. So by multiplying those two numbers, we have to get 12x square, and by adding those two numbers, we have to get 7x. Sorry, minus 7x. Okay. Minus 4. It's minus 4x minus 3x. Okay. Then we'll solve it. X square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. Can you guess? Are you solving with it? Huh? Yeah, you should take first, you have to take common x minus, okay, minus 3 minus 4. Very good. So x minus 4, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So either x minus 4 should equals to 0 or x minus 3 should equals to 0, so that the equation will be turns into 0, right? So we'll equate x minus 4 equals to 0 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. Yeah. X is equals to, and x is equals to, yeah. By splitting the two numbers, we will get the roots. Two roots we got. Then the another method is by using quadratic formula. Can you guess another name for quadratic formula? Yeah, Sridharacharya formula and all. Yeah. Where x is equals to minus b plus or minus, yes, say, root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a for x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. I have missed something. Can you guess? No, no, no. It's simple actually. A is not equals to 0. That's it. So, if you substitute a is equals to 0, then the equation turns to infinity, right? So, we can consider a is equals to 0. Come, let's take an example. X square minus plus 3, 5x plus 2, 3, 6. I have taken the equation. By, can you say the value of b here? Yeah, x is equals to minus 5 plus or minus root of b value minus 5 whole square, 4 a value, c, yes, 2, yeah, x is equals to 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 4, 6 and 24 divided by 2. So x is equals to 5 plus or minus root 1, that's nothing but 1 divided by 2. So to get, they have given two roots like plus or minus, no? X is equals to 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 6 by 2, we'll get 3. And x is equals to 5 minus 1 divided by 2, 4 by 2, then it is 2. We got two roots, right? We got two roots. So, conversely, we can find the nature of these two roots by, yeah, by using discriminant. Okay, we're denoted by d. d is equals to b square minus 4ac. If we get b square minus 4ac, yeah, greater than 0, then, yeah, the roots are real and distinct. Then, if we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are 2 equal, yeah, real roots, and also we'll call it as repeatedly. And repeatedly we say that. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. The roots are imaginary, correct. Okay, then I'll give you a question on this.